Hey, what's up? Today I got the Osmo 3 Mobile. We're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up, take a couple shots, see how it works. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on today, guys? Damn, cut myself. Alright, we got the Osmo Mobile 3 combo from DJI. We're gonna go ahead and cut it open. Wow, I'm sure there's a million of these out there. In fact, I know skills, and I feel like this might help when I'm going along with the skateboard. Maybe this, or I was thinking maybe Insta360. So go ahead, post down in the comments, tell me what you think. Maybe you use one of these. So looks like Google Play friendly and also Apple friendly. So if you have either one of those platforms, you're good to go. There's the Mobile 3 combo. Here we go. So we're gonna peel this bad boy open and check it out. Nice sweet case, soft case, small and compact. Slip right in the backpack. Boom. I want to thank those guys over at DJI for sending me this bad boy to check out. Interesting. Alright, so it looks like you can put a tripod on it as well. It's kind of open. That must be what's popping in here. We'll save this. Let's see. We'll save that right there. Alright, so here we go. Bam, bam, right bang. Back. Let's hit that power button. What happens? 1, 2, 3? No? How about that one? Oh, that's your slide rotation. Let's see. Phone, camera, direction. USB, that must be where you put in your USB. So basically I was hitting this button, not the case. That's not power. That's silly. That means power. So just like all DJIs, hold it, whop, it's on. Alright. That's your charge. This must be the... What is it? Yeah, that's USB to download. That's probably the charge. So was it 1, 2? 1, 2, 3. 1, hold. Nope. 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 Anyhow, that's all. Some silica gel. Do not eat that stuff, guys. Let's see what's in this little guy. Yeah. Slip that off to the side. I give them a thumbs up for their packing for sure. Doing a video. Always get bound by the car. Alright, USB. Looks like Type C. Yes, works on my Droid. So my Android charger that I take everywhere works on everything. I love it. What the heck? I thought yeah. Some traction, looks like some pads to like sit on the feet of this is probably a 4 little wrist strap for carrying it. I'll be skating with this, so we'll see how it works. I think this is that. Yeah, so this is a tripod. I guess it just holds it up a little bit. I thought I might be able to screw it in and extend it a little bit while I'm holding it. Instead of just holding the pistol grip, I might be able to get the setting where I want and then use this kind of like as an extension. I don't know, but it's made for you can sit it down. This thing's sweet. Looks like little transformer or something, but it comes with a little carrying bag here, and this little guy, a little soft little microfiber sack. Put the whole doohickey in there, slip it into its box, put it in your backpack, and hit the road. I got, you can see the side, the inbox, control box, stand, power cable, wrist strap. And you got to go to the app. So Here we go, guys. I got the DJI Osmo 3. I'm going to show you real quick. You open it up. Recently I've been putting my phone in and getting it vertically balanced, but here I'm going to do it just how they tell you in the directions. So first stop is going to be the first rivet and dot. You line them up, you hold here on this edge, you get it horizontally level, which you can see it's a little off, so I'll squish it, and there we go. Now we have to switch it all the way to the next rivet to dot here, and then you slide the back mechanism to get it to sit, get the phone to sit nice and vertical. You can tell if you tap it a little bit if it went a little too far one way. There we go. Now we got, that's it. 8-10 seconds, you're good. Hold the power button, it will turn on the device. Bam, you're locked in. I always go directly in, hit Bluetooth, get to the Bluetooth portion, and then it's going to sync Osmos, find Osmos, hit connect. You're going to connect to the Osmos, and then just the first time you only have to do this. After the first time, then it'll automatically open the app. It's connecting. And just give it a second here. Sorry, trying to get a little better angle for you. Wow. It's connecting, no Osmos found. Let's see here. Wow. Put it in the standby mode. Wow. Get it back, woke up. Tap. Make sure you connect to the Osmos 3, the OMS 3, and then connect to the camera. DJI Mimo to take pictures and record video. Allow for audio. Bam, and then it should connect for us here in just a sec. It's going to walk you through all the beginner, but there you go. If you guys want to see another video on how to use it, just let me know.